Yeah. Round 2 here. State Fair 2024. Diamond Willow Dreams. I like this kind of stuff. It's kind of cool. Great for a cabin. That's nice. Shade of Following, Minnesota, Iowa. Oh, this takes people quote. Nice. Chainsaw carved. Very nice. www.diamondwillow.com. Check them out, man. I have something like this at my house already. I found it. I was walking around one day. Here's where we got a cheap.
I know, the necklace.
The necklace.
Chain. Rings might be better. Don't say it too loud.
We've been over there before. There's all kinds of stuff over there. That one lady, you got that cheap homemade, that one over there in the Caribbean. The one lady, yeah, Barbados. She was nice. Yeah, she was a nice lady. They're always here too as well. Yep, never forget. Right. Prostituting.
Sarah said our next one needs to be the national.
We have a Shirley Brewing Company here. So. We got the brew and everything else. Open here. Hi. Look at that. All the brewed mango. Oh my. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. What? Go ahead. For you people that don't really read, you can. People don't do it anymore, that's unfortunately. I mean, I've read for a long time, but I do like to read. I like to read the paper. Sorry, can't. Hockey. Love it. Right.
They have everything we would need if we were
Julie up the yin yang. Getting a little crowded in here. What are you getting, Sue Ellen? Let me see.
It's a little bit. It looks a little big, doesn't it?
Yeah. What size is it?
It's a double. I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, it's a little big. And obviously you've got. I love that sign. That's an old school standard one. Old school. And you know, the young ladies. I like this one over here. Funny over here. They have all kinds of stuff. Pins left and right. kinds of pins. They've just got a bunch of old, kind of a throwback area every year I come here. I'll get these huge rings. All kinds of patches. Are you okay? All kinds of these brass rings. All ring 50% off. I'm watching you at all costs. Bracelet from Minnesota. Paul Bunyan. These are nasty rings. Of course, gotta have the ox right here. Oh yeah. Always get more and more crowded by the day. So it's called Truman's. I don't know what she's doing, but we're gonna go back over there and see if she's found something.
Is this the only way out?
This stuff just, I don't know, nothing special. She's still looking. Of course, you've got this stuff right here. You've got. Oh, she likes watermelon. Oh, you do?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Start to finish. They're 95 to 100% of all natural. They're very bubbly and very, very moisturizing.
Soaps, right? Soap.
Bubble
Oh,
bath.
okay, bubble bath.
Bubbles. All the soap is over here.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Hand pressed bath bombs. Nice. All right. Ice cream. Donuts. Very nice. Made by hand. All this stuff is. Smell. It's got a nice smell over here. But you can tell all kinds of fun stuff. She's still looking. They have shampoos here. I love the fair. Absolutely. All right, guys. So you see the next one. We're going to go downstairs. So 2024 State Fair.